Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we are planning in my vertical lined layout, and I am actually going to be using two sticker books, 𝗣𝗨𝗡 and Happy Blooms. So I'm actually choosing an odd color palette. I say odd, but it's going to be a lot of, I guess, warmer, warmer tones and kind of deeper colors. But I think in the end that this spread turned out really pretty with the colors that I chose and the flowers to go with. So as you can tell, I am doing a voiceover, and I feel like I've already said this a million times because I have, but for all of my videos this week, I am doing voiceover. So what I'm going to do is just speed forward through a lot of this and play some background music, and then just kind of keep chiming in here and there to chit chat just a little bit. So I hope you guys enjoy this video the way it is, and I'm going to go ahead and fast forward now, and I'll be back just a little bit. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with the way that the left hand side turned out, and now I just need to get the right hand side fully decorated. So we're going to start down here in this corner. I did want to give you guys a little bit of an update. Just since I filmed this video, I'm really finding out and have been struggling with this vertical lined layout to make it work for my social media planning. And I've said this before about the vertical layout. For some reason, my brain does not operate in vertical style, I guess. I don't know. It's fine for wellness, but as far as like checklists and things that I need to get done, I don't know why, but I just cannot seem to make a vertical layout work. So I actually picked up an extra of the all neutral Joann's dashboard layout planner. And so I'm thinking that I'm actually going to use two classic size dashboard layouts, one for my catch-all and one for social media planning. So I'm going to give that a try for this week, and I'm not even going to use the spread that you see me decorating right now. For the week of the 12th, I am going to use the dashboard layout for both, like I said, my catch-all and my social media planning, and see if that works better for my brain. I'm also going to try to Franken-plan the two planners together so that I have them all in one place. Like I said, that I rearranged, and so my desk and everything is not actually in my bedroom. And I do like bringing my planners with me at night and just kind of making like the next day's to-do list and whatnot. So I think it'll make life a little bit easier if I'm not bringing back and forth all the multiple planners. So I am going to Franken-plan those two together. So on my next video for next week, things will probably be a little different. I may be adding in a second dashboard layout. So y'all let me know what y'all think about that in the comments below. I know that it would be kind of redundant for me to have 2 dashboard layout plan with me's a week, but they will be different. So there'll be 2 different spreads a week to kind of inspire you guys on how to use your dashboard layouts. Anyways, so just let me know below what you think about that. And let me know if you're like a strictly vertical planner, or if your brain has a hard time thinking in vertical manner, because for some reason I just cannot make it work for me. But anyways, that's enough rambling. I think I'm going to fast forward through this rest of this little part here, and then we'll come back and see what the finished product looks like. Okay, so I'm thinking that this turned out super cute. Like I said, it is an unusual color palette for me, but I do like the way that the colors looked. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this voiceover video, and if you did, you'll give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope you would consider subscribing. And if you're not following me over on Instagram, make sure you follow me over there. So here's what it looks like. This is it. I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye guys.